Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change name at Agoda. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Agoda official website, and when you are inside the website, this is the interface that is shown to you when you have logged in and signed up successfully. And when you're inside this interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There will be a circular icon, just click on it and a pop-up box will appear. And inside the My Account section, you just have to look on the bottom. It will say profile, so you just have to click on the profile and the profile section will be appeared right in front of you. And on the right hand side of the screen, there will be user details, and just below the user details, there will be name. Now you just have to look on the right hand side of the name. There will be edit button. You just have to click on it and edit section will be appeared right in front of your screen. Now you can just remove your previous name and enter the new name that you want to enter and just click on the save button. Then you will be able to change name at Agoda. So this is how you can easily change name at Agoda. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.